Whoa, that was a river. Pausation. Completely flooded boat. Oh, it's all even there, look, the path. Wonder what it's like down in the bloody hell, that was up to the top! That was up to the top! I didn't expect that, did you?
No? How was it?
Get your foot down. That was balmy, that! I wonder if I got it on camera, I don't think I did. Pause it again, pause it. There's Chiswick, all flooded.
Can't really put it down.
Bloody hell! It was as well!
Right to the top. Right to the top.
Want to get down there?
You gonna go and have a look?
Yeah, I am. Are you coming?
Yeah.
Position. Look at that, man! Bloody hell! Where you been? That is some serious floodage. It's going to go up to the top. That is about, God knows, I'd say about 20 foot of water. Unreal. From the other side. Oh my God, we're going to get soaked.